Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to Dino TV. Today I'm going to review these military helicopters. These military helicopters is a very rare helicopters. It's a RC remote control helicopters. Uh, this is the remote control. It is a 4-channel remote control helicopters with a 2.4 hertz. Well, the rest are the same, where you have the rudder and elevator, left and right, and the up and down take up speed. Well, guys, uh, let's look at the helicopters closely. Well, it's written here. This is a military helicopter Marines from the US country. Well, we're going to do a test start on the helicopter to see the functionality of the helicopters. Well, guys, without wasting any time, we would like to start the helicopters and see whether how powerful and the sound of the helicopters. Well, guys, when we come back, we show you then. Keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, let's start the helicopter engine. We are starting the helicopter rotor. As you can hear, the sound of the helicopter is starting now. This is a very powerful helicopters with a 4-speed motor. It can go as far as 20 meters high. Let's put the power higher. As you can hear the sound of the helicopter. This is how when a helicopter is warming up and ready to take off. Alright guys, you see? The sound of the helicopter is exactly as the real sound, where this is a full remote control helicopters, and this is a very rare helicopters where this is a new shipment from eBay. Thank you, eBay. Well, guys, it's very fun to fly this helicopter because the sound is so real. And let's try again to start the propeller or the rotor of the helicopters. You see, this helicopter is able to control how it actually starts the helicopter when the time they start the helicopter rotor. Can you hear the sound, guys? Can you hear the sound? It is extremely powerful, these helicopters. You see, the speed of the helicopter sound is extremely powerful. You see the sound? This is the engine sound of the helicopters. This is only just a normal speed. It can go even higher speed, but I'm not going to fly the plane, the helicopter today. That will be on my next video then. Stand by and watch my next video, guys. Till then, now let us keep on starting the engine and warm up first. Because helicopter needs to warm up before they really take off, in order for them to get the stability of the engine. The four engine from the front and the back is to control the stable of the helicopters, and this helicopter has a gyro system where this gyro system will control the stability of the helicopters. You see, I'm now putting more and more speed to the helicopters in order to see the sound of the helicopters. Can you hear the sound, guys? Can you see? The plane is already start to shake. Can you see the whole body of the plane is already start to shake? That shows that the plane is ready to take off. Can you see how strong is the helicopters? The speed of the helicopters? You hear the sound, guys? Can you hear the sound of the helicopters? This is really fun, guys. If you really follow my video, you're able to see I will try to fly these helicopters at outdoor. Meanwhile, now I will keep on trying to pull the speed higher and higher so that you can hear the sound of the helicopters. This is not the full, this is only 40%. You try to put more and more before and see how strong is the helicopters. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound of the helicopter, guys? This is about 45 to 60%. We are controlling using this remote control, guys. This remote control. You see, this is how when there is the helicopter try to turn. You see, when the helicopter try to turn, there is only the lower part of the propeller will twist. And this is when the helicopter is on a full speed. When the helicopter is on a full speed, it controls that way. And when the helicopter want to turn left or right, usually the only lower part of the rotor will twist, that's all. You see, that's how when the helicopter wanted to turn. Can you hear the sound, guys? Can you hear the sound? I'm very worried because the helicopter is very powerful, guys. It is actually powerful and it's very risky to fly in the indoor because of the rotor. You can see the plane has already been moving to that side already. Can you hear? The plane has already been moving to that side. Well, guys, I think I better stop here before it go further because the plane is really going to take off. We come back again for our next video on our outdoor flying. Thank you for watching Dino TV, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up and leave down your comments. Till we meet again, good night. Bye bye.